And so yeah, we're on a FaceTime, which is gonna be really hard for me to edit. Yay!
This is what we do on the weekend.
All right, Grandma, what one do you think we should start with today?
Why don't you do you want to do our JB Land or one of the others?
I don't know. Should we start with the one that makes the nice noise?
Yeah, okay, that sounds good.
Okay, you guys scooch out of the way. And then this is the one that makes the nice noise, everyone. It's ready to come out, guys. Get ready for the nice noise. Oh my gosh!
What is it?
It's a T-Rex!
Oh my
Look! Do you guys want to know why I find the fact that we have a T-Rex so funny? Well, when I was little, I was like, was I 2 or 3? Okay, I was around 2, 3-ish. Sometimes I was kind of naughty, and sometimes I didn't want to eat my dinner. So my parents would say, Jay, eat your dinner. And then I would put my arms like this, and I would say, my arms are too short, so I wouldn't have to eat my dinner. This is me when I was little. So Grandma, what one should we open next?
Let's open JB Land next.
Okay. Do you know where day 9 is?
Yes.
Okay. It's the one that you always push in accidentally.
I know, I had to pry it out a few minutes ago.
Okay. Oops, I started opening it. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I got it. It's so cute.
Did you get both of the things out?
I only got, something else. I didn't even see something else. Oh my gosh.
Look.
In there.
It's a Roblox keychain, Grandma, and a little rainbow moon bracelet. Now, some of the things that are kind of smaller, I ended up putting a rainbow moon bracelet along with them because, I mean, the Roblox keychain is cool, but it's kind of small, and it's nice to get a little something with it. And I know you like keychains, Grandma, so that's why I got it.
Yep, I do. I use them all the time.
I'll put the Roblox keychain by the me when I was little. So, Grandma, the squishy one's last. Should I open it?
Yes.
Okay, it's 9 today. We've got the question marks. Wait, we've got double question marks. Why are there double question marks?
That could be a problem.
Aww. Guys, look. It's a little elephant. So cute. So we've got an elephant, a T-Rex, aka me when I was little, and a Roblox keychain. I think today was a good day, Grandma.
Yep, we got a lot of cute things.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and
Ring our bell.
thank you guys for watching.
Bye, thanks.
Bye. On the 9th day of Christmas, JB Land gave to me a Roblox keychain, Minecraft squishy, M&M's, a play button award, Minecraft minifigures, a cat washcloth, a rainbow moon bracelet, and a molten slime, a Kit Kat